Good morning, students. Myself Anirban Guho, Solar Trainer of Sortec Institute of Engineering and Management. And in my previous class, I also discussed in different topics on solar field. But today I also discuss some different topics which is totally related with the solar as well as electrical part. Some basic electrical and electronics related topics. In our electrical engineering, the basic main things is the circuit. Today I also discuss about circuit. So before starting my discussion, the basic things, the circuit, the terminology is circuit. So first question, what is circuit? If anybody asked you what is circuit, basically different parameter wise we provide different definitions on circuit, different explanations. Like as in generally in different book, if we are follow, they also based on their flow of electron continuity or flow of current continuity or conducting path, they also describe a circuit is a open or closed path where current can flow or tends to flow. This is the basic phenomena of the circuit. So today I also discuss about different definition or different parameter wise definition of the circuit. So let's move. First of all, circuit. What is circuit? A circuit is a conducting path through which an electric current either flow or is intended to flow is called circuit. So basically the first parameter according to flow and continuity of current or electron. There are two categories. One is open circuit and another is closed circuit. What is open circuit? This is bulb, this is key, and this is the source, and there are no connection between negative terminal and this wire. So this is the open path or this is the open circuit. That's why this circuit cannot flow any electron. That's why this bulb cannot glow. If any conducting path, if there is no continuity, so there have no flow of electron, that's why no flow of current. So this is the open circuit. And this is the bulb, and this is the key or switch, and this is the positive and negative supply, and this is the closed circuit. That's why if when the switch is on, at that time the bulb will be glow. If switch is off, at that time bulb will be off. So this is the closed circuit. If any condition closed circuit, any path will be discontinued, it behaves like as open circuit, because open circuit are just like a dead circuit. So this classification are based on the continuity or discontinuity, and again the circuit is classified into another two parts. One is called linear circuit and another is called non-linear circuit. What is linear circuit? A circuit which obeys the Ohm's law are called the linear circuit, and non-linear circuit is circuit which doesn't obey the Ohm's law are called the non-linear circuit. Because which circuit are obey the Ohm's law, their output graph, this is the volt and this is the current. X-axis is volt and y-axis is current, and a circuit which obey the Ohm's law, their VI characteristics will be a linear, but a circuit which doesn't obey the Ohm's law, their graphical representation will be this like things, or some cases these like things are different, so on. So this is the linear and non-linear circuit based on maintain or not to be maintained Ohm's law. And then next part, flow of current or direction of flow of current. Based on this part, the circuit will be classified into two categories. One is unilateral circuit and another is called bilateral circuit. What is unilateral circuit? Suppose this is the bulb, this is key, and this is our supply. Here current moves positive to negative terminal and electron moves negative to positive terminal. We know within a circuit flow of electron is reverse with the flow of current. So that's why this is the unilateral circuit, because the current flow from positive to negative terminal. So a unique direction. But bilateral circuit, this is the resistance and this is the resistance, another resistance, and this is the supply. Here supply V, resistance R1, this is the resistance R2, and flow of this node point current value is I total, and this path suppose current flow I1 and this path current flow I2. So at that time, and the node point at the junction the current is I. So this loop flow of current value is I1, this loop value current value is this is the I1 and this is the I2, and I equals to I1 plus I2. You also know. So this is the bilateral circuit. So again, and another based on the source availability or disavailability, the circuit will be classified into two categories. One is called active circuit and another is called passive circuit. What is active circuit? In an electrical circuit which source of EMF will be present or source of any voltage or current source will be present are called active circuit. That's why this is the resistance value and this is the source of supply. It's the volt. This is the active circuit. If any electrical circuit there have no source of EMF are called passive circuit. There are no source of EMF. So this is the passive circuit. So according to different parameters, according to different situation, the circuit will be classified into different categories. So I think it will be helpful to you to understand the circuit are how many types and how many situation they will be classified in different phases. Thank you.